Picture this for a second. It's payday. You worked hard all month. You open your phone, and within minutes, that quiet feeling of progress disappears. Not because you're broke, but because someone else is louder. A new car post, a luxury vacation story, a hustle win update. Suddenly, your steady progress feels invisible. So you do what most people do without thinking. You start showing. The people who look the richest are often the furthest from real wealth. And the ones quietly building serious net worth, you rarely notice them at all. So here's the real question. What if showing less isn't about being cheap, but about being strategic? What if privacy is actually a financial advantage? And what if the fastest way to grow your net worth isn't earning more, but leaking less? In this video, I'll show you what to stop showing, what to protect, and what to build instead. Watch till the end, because the final insight explains why people who master this principle don't just grow richer. They become calmer, more confident, and financially unshakable. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Let's dive in. The invisible expense that silently kills compounding. Most people think wealth is about income, but income has very little to do with net worth once lifestyle signaling enters the picture. The moment you start showing success, a silent tax appears. Expectations. Friends expect generosity. Family expects upgrades. Your environment quietly raises the standard you must maintain. None of this shows up in your budget, yet it drains cash every month. Consumer psychology studies show that once someone publicly signals financial improvement, discretionary spending rises by about $1,200 per month, not because needs change, but because identity changes. The biggest mistake people make is believing upgrades are harmless if income is rising. They forget that compounding works both ways. Every dollar spent maintaining an image is a dollar not compounding in equities, ETFs, dividend stocks, or a tax-efficient investment account. People who build real net worth delay identity upgrades. They allow their stock portfolio to grow faster than their lifestyle. They quietly reinvest cash flow instead of converting raises into visible consumption. Number 2. Visibility creates financial fragility. There's a psychological reason quietly wealthy people move differently. Visibility reduces flexibility. When your financial life becomes socially public, even informally, your options shrink. You can't downshift expenses easily. You can't take long-term bets. You can't temporarily earn less to invest more. Most people confuse confidence with exposure. They believe showing success reinforces discipline. In reality, it locks them into fragile financial patterns. Quiet wealth protects optionality. It keeps expenses flexible, decisions private, and capital allocation rational. Think about this. During a market correction, who performs better? The person maintaining appearances or the one quietly increasing positions in undervalued assets? The answer never changes. Those with low visibility maintain conviction while others panic. And once optionality is protected, another hidden advantage appears: freedom from bad advice. Number 3. Loud success attracts expensive mistakes. Here's something almost nobody talks about. The moment people perceive you as financially successful, unsolicited advice multiplies, and most of it is dangerous. Suddenly, everyone has a hot stock, a guaranteed real estate deal, or a can't-miss IPO. Individuals who openly discuss money are twice as likely to invest in high-volatility assets without proper risk management. Not because they're careless, but because social pressure accelerates decisions. Quiet wealth avoids this trap by filtering noise. When you show less, you hear less. When you hear less, you think better. When you think better, your portfolio decisions improve. Ask yourself how many financial choices you've made just to avoid feeling left out. Quiet investors don't need validation. They focus on fundamentals, diversification, dividend income, and long-term compounding instead of hype. This silence sharpens decision-making and rewires how wealth feels internally. Number 4. Showing less reprograms your wealth identity. There's a difference between feeling wealthy and being wealthy. Most people chase the feeling. Quiet builders focus on the reality. Psychology shows that external validation reduces intrinsic discipline. When wealth becomes performative, consistency weakens. When it stays private, consistency strengthens. The common mistake is tying self-worth to visible progress. That creates a dopamine loop where spending feels like achievement. Quiet wealth flips the script. Identity shifts from consumer to capital allocator, from spender to long-term investor. Ask yourself this: would your financial habits remain disciplined if nobody ever praised them? That single question separates people who build retirement portfolios early from those who delay for decades. Once pride shifts from display to discipline, financial behavior becomes boring. And boredom is exactly what makes compounding unstoppable. And this boring discipline becomes most powerful when income increases. Number 5. Quiet people keep raises, while loud people lose them. Every raise comes with a decision: upgrade your lifestyle or upgrade your future. Data shows nearly 70% of salary increases disappear within 6 months due to lifestyle inflation. The biggest trigger isn't need, it's visibility. When no one knows your income increased, nothing needs to change. Quiet wealth captures raises and converts them into equity growth, dividend-paying ETFs, retirement accounts, and passive income streams. Income alone doesn't build net worth. Conversion does. Ask yourself where your last raise actually went. Quiet earners turn raises into assets. Loud earners turn them into obligations. Over time, this creates two completely different financial trajectories. But quiet wealth doesn't just grow money, it protects it. Number 6. Privacy is the most underrated risk management tool in wealth building. Most people think risk management means diversification, defensive stocks, or keeping cash on the sidelines during market volatility. Almost nobody realizes that visibility itself is a financial risk. The more people know about your money, the more exposed your decisions become, emotionally, socially, and psychologically. When your finances are public, pressure quietly enters the room. Pressure to maintain, pressure to respond, pressure to explain. And pressure is the enemy of rational investing. Research in behavioral finance shows that investors who experience social pressure are significantly more likely to exit positions early, abandon long-term strategies, and mismanage portfolio rebalancing during market corrections. Privacy doesn't just protect your money, it protects your nervous system. And when your nervous system is regulated, your decision-making improves dramatically. But here's where it gets interesting. This same privacy also changes what happens when your income starts growing faster than everyone expects. Number 7. The silent advantage that appears when money grows quietly. There's a moment most people never talk about. It's when your income starts rising faster than your lifestyle. When your cash flow improves, but nobody around you knows it yet. That moment is where wealth either accelerates or leaks. Statistics show that nearly 70% of raises disappear within 6 months, not because of inflation or necessity, but because visibility invites lifestyle upgrades. New income becomes public income, and public income creates silent obligations, better choices, nicer places, higher standards. Ask yourself this uncomfortable question. If nobody ever noticed your raise, where would that money go? For quietly wealthy individuals, the answer is almost always the same. It goes into assets, not appearances. And over time, this creates a massive gap. One person looks successful but stays financially stretched. The other looks unchanged while their net worth quietly compounds. But what's even more powerful is what this silence does to your mindset. And that's the shift most people never experience. Number 8. When you stop being seen, you start thinking differently. Here's something rarely discussed in personal finance. Visibility doesn't just affect spending, it affects identity. When your progress is visible, your brain starts associating money with approval. When it's invisible, your brain associates money with control. Psychological studies show that external validation weakens long-term discipline. When people receive recognition for financial progress, consistency drops. But when progress remains private, discipline strengthens. Quiet wealth removes the dopamine hit from spending and replaces it with satisfaction from strategy. The biggest mistake most people make is believing motivation comes from recognition. In wealth building, recognition often sabotages the very habits that created progress in the first place. Quiet investors don't feel the need to explain their moves, justify their patience, or defend their strategy. And this boredom is not a weakness. It's a signal that you're operating on systems, not emotions. Which brings us to the final shift, the one that separates people who chase wealth from those who quietly arrive there. The shift from proving wealth to positioning wealth. The wealthiest people don't rush. They don't broadcast. They don't compete. They position. They let compound growth, portfolio diversification, dividend reinvestment, and long-term investing do what they've always done: reward patience. The mistake most people make is believing success needs witnesses. It doesn't. It needs time, consistency, and insulation from noise. Quiet wealth allows you to play the long game without distraction. The truth is this: when you stop showing, you stop leaking energy, focus, and money. That's when net worth accelerates. That's when financial freedom becomes predictable instead of stressful. Showing less isn't about hiding. It's about protecting momentum. It's about letting compounding work without interference. It's about choosing long-term equity growth over short-term validation. When you stop performing wealth, you start building it. When you stop explaining progress, you accelerate it. When you stop upgrading identity before assets, you win. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you really want to level up, don't miss this next video. Let's continue there.